In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use sales funnels in Zoho CRM. Sales funnels are an effective way to visualize and manage your sales process, allowing you to track potential clients as they progress through different stages. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's walk through the steps together. To start, open up Zoho CRM and head over to the Setup section. You'll find this usually in the top right-hand corner of your dashboard. Clicking on Setup will lead you to a variety of options to personalize your CRM according to your business needs. In this case, we're focusing on the Pipelines section, so go ahead and click on Pipelines. Once you're in the Pipeline settings, your next step is to create a new pipeline. This is where the magic begins. Click on the Create New Pipeline button. You're opening the door to defining how your sales process will visually unfold before you. Now it's time to enter a name for your pipeline. The name should be descriptive enough to ensure that everyone in your sales team understands its purpose immediately. Think of something like Q4 lead generation or enterprise deals. Once you've entered the name, you'll see options to adjust the layout. The layout helps in customizing how data is visually organized. Make sure to click on Layout and configure it to suit your team's needs. Next, let's move on to configuring the stages of your sales funnel. Click on Stages to delineate each step a potential client undertakes on their way to becoming a customer. Depending on your process, you might have stages like initial contact, proposal sent, negotiation, and so forth. Carefully think through the stages that reflect your sales process. This is crucial for understanding where a prospect sits in the funnel. Once you've set up the stages, go ahead and click on Save. It will lock in your settings, ensuring that your pipeline is correctly configured. Then click on Done to finalize this setup phase and return to the main dashboard. Now, to leverage the power of visualization, you'll want to add this new pipeline to your Analytics dashboard. Go to Analytics and click on Add Component. Choose the Funnel option, which will help visualize the sales stages you just set up. Here you can select a funnel style that best suits your preferred visual format, whether it's standard, vertical, or horizontal. With the funnel style selected, click on Component Name to provide a quick identifier for this visualization in your reports, perhaps something straightforward like Current Sales Pipeline. Then click on Build Your Funnel to assemble the components effectively. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement and have added or reordered any necessary details, click on Add and Reorder for final adjustments. Finally, click on Save to apply these changes. You can always tweak it later if needed. In case you wish to discard any changes and start from scratch, the Cancel button is your friend. And there you have it. Your sales funnel is fully set up and ready to help you see where your prospects currently stand. Thanks for following along, and I hope this video helps you streamline your sales process using Zoho CRM. Remember, a well-organized sales funnel can greatly increase your effectiveness and conversion.